All right, time to build our lovely Aetheric Navigator. Hopefully this will be a nice simple build as well, because looking at the miniature, there's not a lot to it. So let's start out by getting one. So I've only just put together the engine master, and you know, it's such a complex model. So many little fiddly bits to it. Get number 3 out here. And get number 2. Yeah, such a fiddly model with so many little bits to it. No way to put it, really. So this one seems so much simpler. Oh gosh, be careful doing this. I can feel it bending as I'm cleaning it. Okay, right, let's get these 3 parts together. This should be hopefully very simple, but I will do a dry fit just to make sure. So it looks very simple. These just kind of pop in here. There's nothing really else to that one, actually. They look quite simple attachments. Make sure he's stable. Make sure the feet are nice and flat and not going to wobble all over the place. Now we need number 5 and 6. So this is this big pack on his back. Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna as soon as I can. These Arcanauts are gonna go toe to toe with the Gloom Spike kits. I'm gonna see if my son's probably gonna insist on playing the Caradron. No doubt about that. It's gonna be the way it is. Right, yeah, number 6 as well, which is a smaller component. Let me find it. Looks like a bomb. Right, be careful here, because this is obviously an easy to break piece, isn't it? Then they go together, so let me make sure I'm putting this the right way around. Yeah. Make sure as well that in here it's properly clean. Now, I can only assume that this crazy little device is storing something. Now, what exactly it's storing, I don't know, but or maybe it's powered by Aether. Is it right? Am I right? Is it Aether gold or is it gold? And is it like Aether, like a gaseous form of it? I can't quite remember that. Number 4. Yeah, it's gold, isn't it? I'm thinking it's Aether gold. It's gold. I think. Oh, I'm going to have to sit down and look that up again, aren't I? Anyway, so he's got his tank here, backpack, or whatever it's doing. It looks like it's got some kind of power. So the kind of weird Caradron version of science or magic or rune or whatever it is they do. It's all linked together, isn't it? We need number 9 and number 10 now. Two sides of the helmet. Been noticing as well that the Caradrons, it's not uncommon for them to be bald. So I don't know if that's like shaving or I just happen to have seen like older Caradrons who've lost their hair. They definitely seem inclined to shaving, or at least keeping trim, not shaving, trimming their beards. Oh, upside down. Which probably makes sense if you're flying around all the time. Well, why do I keep putting this upside down? There we go. Yeah, if you're flying around all the time, I suppose it is a bit of a problematic to have a long beard. It's probably not very safe either. Right, try that again, shall I? Right, so there's a little... Yeah, there we go. I wasn't sure if the head went forward, but then there's a little notch. So that sounds about right, doesn't it? Or feels about right. I'm dropping things now. Now 7 and 8. Hey, and we're almost done. Isn't it? Yeah. Pops on the end here. And this is popping onto this part of the back. Oh gosh, sliding. There we go. That's cool. Kind of weird globe. And I think, oh, I've misplaced the base. Give me a second to find it. I think before I was doing a different model and I may have used the wrong base. Let me just double check. Does he go on a small base? Yeah, he goes on a smaller base, doesn't he? There we go. Stay on. There we go. Cool, eh? I like him. There we go. So that is our Aetheric Navigator, one of the Caradron Overlords from the Premium Kit 3. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.